Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be microwaving this Cuisine Adventures French onion soup. Now if you're looking for the oven instructions, we already did that video. I will link it down in the description box below, but if you'd like an easier route and you want to microwave it, that's what we're here to do today. So everything that we need is assembled here. We've got a microwave safe container. They recommend one that holds at least 10 ounces and that is at least 4 inches in diameter across. And then we've got some scissors to open it up, and then we've got our actual soup right here. So let's just go ahead and get this placed in our cup. All right guys, now this is the side with the cheese. This is our bottom side. So we're gonna place this cheese side up in our microwave safe bowl or cup, just like that. And we're gonna put this into the microwave for 3 minutes. All right guys, it's been 3 minutes in the microwave. Next, we just need to stir this up because it's still pretty frozen under there. And then once we stir it up, we're gonna put it back in the microwave for another 2 minutes. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right guys, it's been a total of 5 minutes in the microwave, and here we have our completed French onion soup in the microwave. And if you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.